Hi guys, Kyle here. You're watching Home of the Buffingtons. As you can see right here, I have a new Blackstone Griddle. I've been wanting one of these for a while. One of my buddies has one, he loves it. He's cooking on it all the time. So I thought I'd make a quick video showing you guys the Blackstone Griddle. It's not a review or anything. I've had it since July 3rd. We cooked the burgers on it July 4th for the July 4th party. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I have it up in the card. So this particular model is from Walmart, and it has the air fryers. So it has 2 air fryers as well as a warmer to keep things in. You can make your fries while you're grilling your burgers or whatever else you want to put in there. Hash browns. If you have some frozen hash browns, you want to air fry them first before you throw them on top of the griddle. Right now I'm heating the griddle up because we are going to make some cinnamon French toast. Alright, with some bacon. So we're going to get some bacon going, get it all nice and crisp because we like crisp bacon here at Home of the Buffingtons, and show you guys how I'm going to do some French toast as well, cinnamon French toast. Alright, so here's the ingredients we're going to be using. We're going to use some Hormel Black Label Original Bacon. So we're going to have some bacon with this. This is some beaten up eggs with a little bit of milk in it. And then for our cinnamon toast, or no, we're not doing cinnamon toast. For our French toast, we're going to use this sliced cinnamon brioche. It says it's great for French toast. So we will find out. Alright, the griddle's looking pretty good. Smoke is almost gone. I'm going to go ahead and start getting the bacon on there. Alright, start getting this bacon on there. That sizzle sounds so good. It's smelling great already. It's so thin that it's kind of tearing. Might want to think about the thick cut next time. Almost ready. got a nice sear, that's for sure. All right, let that bacon finish. First time cooking bacon on here. This one's a little overdone, but these will be really good. Oh yeah. I mean, that's pretty fast cooking right there. Alright, so don't really want the bacon grease. So I'm just going to move some of that grease. I don't know why this one's taking so long, but we'll go ahead and get it off. I'm not really trying to scrape, just trying to move the oil from the bacon grease off. I'll turn this all the way down. Let that go. Like I said, we like our bacon crisp. It's pretty crisp. This one's definitely crisp. Ooh, my mouth is watering. Yeah. Mmm. That crunch, yo. Oh man. This smells amazing. Can y'all smell that? Holy cow. It smells so good. Alright, I think we're good to go. I'm just gonna throw some butter on here. I don't know how much, I'm just guessing. This is my first time ever doing anything like this. Probably don't even really want to use butter. It probably like burns. But I don't want to use like oil or anything. So I probably need to find something better to use than butter. Alright, I'm gonna dip my French toast in here. Hope I don't burn them. Easy peasy so far. Just cooking the eggs to cook them. Wow, they cook fast. Holy cow. Eggs cook fast, y'all. You gotta have your cheese ready. Man, guys, that is lightning fast. And that is it. Let's go get some butter on these and some syrup. All right, so we're gonna put some butter on here. Still melting the way she likes it. Whew. Bacon is nice and crisp. Let's get some syrup on there. We're gonna use some log cabin syrup. We either eat that or Aunt Jemima. All right, guys. Blackstone French toast. All right, guys. Everybody liked it in the house. So again, we made some French toast, some bacon, and then just for getting rid of the eggs, just threw some eggs on there and made a quick little plain omelet. So that was kind of cool. So that was my first time cooking breakfast on the Blackstone Griddle. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Something a little different. This is home of the Buffingtons, so it could be outdoors or indoors related. I plan on cooking on this Blackstone a lot. I've already made a lot of chicken on it, and it's all been good. Some blackened chicken, some lemon pepper chicken. What else? Burgers, of course. Oh, some pork chops. So yeah, it's been getting a lot of use. But if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, the little bell icon, give you notifications when I release new videos. And comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the French toast. And we'll see you guys on the next one.